How to log in Commerzbank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application. At the top search bar, type in commerzbank.de. Once you do so, you will land onto this website. In case you see this in any other language than English, tap on to translate. Then here you will see login. Tap onto it. At this page, enter your username or participant number. Then enter your PIN code and select the option given below. Once done, tap on login. In case you have forgotten your login or access has been blocked, you can get help from tapping on these links below. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.